know. Right. Motion of boat perpendicular to line of river flow. Right. So here, for example, says condition for short path condition. We can consider what is that river, right? So here can consider a person or a boat started at point A on one bank of the river. His aim is to reaching opposite bank of the river. This is bank 1. This is bank 2. Now here the width of this river is what is that D. Assume D is width. His aim is to reach what is that exactly B point on opposite bank. So he must row the boat opposite to the direction of river flow. This is velocity of the river direction. River with respect to ground. Velocity of the boat with respect to water. Right? So this is VB. Resultant vector is closing the triangle taken in reverse order. This is called result. Result. VR is equal to velocity of river. VB is equal to velocity of boat. VR result and velocity, right? D width of the river. So here what is the resultant velocity? First one, resultant velocity we can measure. Resultant velocity, that is VB square is equal to from triangle. Okay, so triangle VB square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to what is that? Opposite square plus adjacent square. VB VR square plus V resultant square. V resultant square is equal to VB square minus of VR square. V resultant is equal to square root of VB square minus of VR square. This is resultant velocity. Next condition, angle made by the boat, okay, with horizontal, that is tan theta is equal to opposite side by VR divided by V resultant. Next, in terms of sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse VR divided by VB. In terms of cos theta, that is equal to adjacent side by divided by VB. Right. This is angle made by boat with vertical. Right. So third one. Okay. Time taken. Here velocity of the boat, it is broken up into two components, VB cos theta. This is VB sin theta. Therefore, time t is equal, velocity is equal distance by time. Time is equal distance by velocity. Distance is d by velocity in the resultant direction. What is it? VB cos theta. Okay, this is time taken. Wasted time. For example, boat is what is it? Moves from bank A to bank B in short interval of time. So the boat must be rowed in the direction of what is it? B. So due to river floods, then the boat will be reaches to what is it? At another bank of this what is it? River. This distance it is called what is it? Drift. X is called drift. So whenever boat is rowing perpendicularly to the direction of river flow, due to river floods he reaches to C point. Then this is called short time. Then resultant velocity is equal to, this is resultant velocity, V resultant is equal to square root VB square plus VR square. This is called resultant velocity of boat. Next, so here time taken, how we can measure the time? Time taken is equal to always what is it? Distance by velocity, or velocity is equal distance by time taken. From the time is equal distance by velocity. Here time t is equal, distance is nothing but width of the river by velocity in AB direction, that is VB. This is d by VB. Next, now here time taken is calculated. Third condition, drift. Drift means additional distance covered on the second bank of the river, that is drift. Drift is equal to distance. Distance is equal to, that is equal to velocity into time. Velocity of boat into time taken by the boat. Therefore x is equal to velocity of this what is it? Not boat, drift direction, that is river velocity. River velocity, that is VR into T. X is equal to VR into d by VB. Okay, so this is next. It says train. Then train of this what is it? Length is given. Length is equal to 150 meter. Train of length is 150 meter. Is going towards what is it? North direction. Okay, this is east, west, north, south. Now train is moving in north direction. Velocity of the train is equal to how much? 10 meter per second. Next, so a parrot is flying with a speed towards south. Parrot is flying towards south. This is 5 meter per second. Next, parallel to this track in opposite direction, what is the time taken to cross this what is a train? Velocity is actually relative velocity between them. Relative velocity is equal to velocity of the train minus of velocity of this what is it? Parrot. Therefore Vt plus Vp, therefore 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15 meter per second. Next, length. Length is nothing but width or distance is equal to 150. Time taken, t is equal, okay, t is equal to d by v relative velocity, that is equal to 150 divided by 15 1 15 tens. that is 10 seconds. Next, the particle is moving eastward with a velocity. This is east, west, north, south. Particle is moving towards east. That is equal to 5 meter per second. Next one, the velocity changes towards north. This is v2 is equal to same in time t is equal to 10 seconds. What is the acceleration and direction? Average acceleration and direction. Average acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. Here this is vector diagram of this. What is it? First one, here v2 write as it is. This is v2. Okay, vector diagram. Okay, v2, this is what is that, plus v1, this is minus of v1, resultant is what is that, closing the triangle taken in reverse order, this is called result. Right, resultant is equal to square root of v1 square plus v2 square divided by time t, square root of what is that, 5 square plus 5 square divided by 10, what is that, 25 divided by 10, that is equal to square root of 50 divided by 10. Next, average acceleration is equal to, that is equal to 5 into root 2 divided by 10, therefore 1 by root 2 meter per second square. Direction, tan of what is it, alpha, tan of alpha, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, 1 by v2, here v1 is 5 by v2 is also 5, therefore 1, alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1, it is equal to 45 degrees. The direction is what is that, northeast.